everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a decorate with me unboxing of my new table, but I'll be using it as a desk in my home office. I've always wanted and needed a home office, and I finally pulled the plug and started using some of the items I already had and a few items that are new. Some are from a collab that I shared in previous videos, but this video I'm just going to share with you my new office as well as my new desk setup. So I'll go over a little bit more as we unbox our new table. Please stay tuned. All right, everyone, I'm jumping right in unboxing my table slash desk. I had curbside delivery, which means they're supposed to put it on the curb, but it was raining, so they gracefully put it in the garage for me. My husband was at work at the fire department, which meant he didn't come home until the next morning, and he came right in and helped me brought it upstairs. So of course, I was on vacation and it was perfect timing for me to unbox it. So I went ahead and unboxed the desk part, and my husband came up and helped me put the glass top on. And you'll see the glass top later, but I did that off camera. Now here's story time. I almost canceled this desk. They gave me 4 different delivery dates. And the first delivery date was before Thanksgiving. And the other date was like December 4th. And I called to kind of get an estimated delivery date from that point. And when I called, they gave me a week out. Then I called again. They gave me another week out. And I called for the last time and I said, just cancel the order. She said, well, we can't cancel it now. It's already been dispatched. And I said, I understand that, but you all have gave me 3 or 4 delivery dates and I still have not received the item. So let's cancel it. So she offered to give me a little stipend. That wasn't sufficient enough, but to my surprise, it came when the last lady said it will be in the area. So they called me on a Wednesday, delivered it on a Friday, and I was so happy. All right, as you can see, I was so excited. I sat down in the chair to make sure that it worked with the desk, and it did, so I'm so excited. I got that chair from a recent collab. That one as well as the green ones, they came from the same company. And now I'm just going to unbox this as I wait for my husband to come help me put it on top of the desk. All right, it's the next day and I've already vacuumed the floor. I'm just going to use the spray weight cleaner on all the glass surfaces in the room and just make sure there's no dust and no fingerprints on any of the items. All right, so let's go ahead and add some accessories and decor to the space. So I chose the color green because that's my favorite color, and I added materials that will help me feel relaxed and inspired. I added some faux plants and natural elements to bring a sense of calmness and energy to the room. I made sure that I had enough storage to keep everything organized, but also enough space to move around. I don't like a lot of items on my desk, but since I don't have desk drawers, I will be using a desk tray setup to store my office supplies and my empty LV boxes and decor boxes for extra storage. I also chose office supplies that are the brands I love as well as cohesive in color. Color coordinating can help with creating a calm workspace. I absolutely love my bright gold stapler as well as scissors. It has the perfect scissor holder along with the scissors. So it's perfect for the desk, especially if you have storage issues. And I picked up this cute little orange paperweight in the color gold. And let's go ahead and unbox my agenda. I actually already unboxed it before, but I had been waiting on my agenda refill, and I did get that in September. So I'm just going to add it to my desk because that's part of my planning. And here is my Hartman agenda. I've had it forever. I don't know why I had it in the box, but I just pulled it out the box and we're adding it to the table as well. I do a lot of, I would say, journaling. So I definitely need both of them. And now I'm adding my MacBook Air to my desk. I haven't used it like I should because I haven't had a desk set up. And this is just the iPad stand as well as my iPad. I need all of this to be productive. And these journals were a gift from my book club sister. One was for a book club meeting she had, and the other one was for Christmas. I'm just adding my tape dispenser, and this is a supply holder that attaches to the side of that metal tray. I'm just going to add some extra ink pens as well as a good place to store my remote controls as well as lighters. Those are some things that I know I am going to reach for quite often, so I want them available and out of the way. So they're going to be in the little side tray that's attached to the metal tray. All right, so who doesn't need Kleenex? I always need Kleenex in my office or at my desk, so I decided to use a glass vase I already had. I put some little felt tips on the bottom of it so it won't scratch the surface or any surface that I put the glass on. So I'm just going to add these Kleenex directly to the glass vase, and they should come out just like they would out of a box. I put it on the desk for now, but I later moved it to the little side table. That was the perfect place for it. And I still haven't got my pillows made, but I'm just going to add this little fabric over here just to trick the eye. And over here, I'll add some more pillows as well as another lamp because you want to make sure you have plenty of lighting to keep your eyes and mind alert. And of course, I'm always thinking about how can I move things around? How can I make it work in a different area if I wanted to? In this case, I wanted to make sure that my tray would fit under my desk and I'll be able to access it easily. I did not hang the art on the wall yet because I do plan on moving my television over there along with some type of storage over there as well. So on the curtains, I do also plan on getting track curtain rods. I'm going to attach them to the ceiling. That way they won't drag the floor. I'm also going to get motorized window shade. So I'm going to get the kind that's the blackout and the light out. So we're going to add that. I'm going to also replace this light fixture. I do have one. I'm doing some swapping around, so the one downstairs will probably come up here, and I have a new one. So this is the finished look. All right, so here is my office, and basically this area over here can be considered the lounge area whenever I make it to this little part. But once I put that sofa here, this is going to open this area up even more. Right now, it still looks empty when you look from this way, because I have about, I would say, another 10 feet. I'm not good with measuring, but another maybe 10 feet of space. All right, so I went ahead and pulled out the measuring tape, and we actually have 9 feet from the wall to the desk, and I would say 7 feet from the wall to the end of that door. And then we also have about 7 feet coming from this direction as well. Here is the nighttime view. I also have another set of curtains. I am going to add them just to give a really full look when I add the track to the ceiling. So that's going to be really full and beautiful. And over here, I just have, of course, a little cocktail and some cute little glasses. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Always remember, when designing your home office, it's important that you create a space that's productive and comfortable for you. It's about what works for you. Start by choosing the right furniture, accessories, and decor, and always consider the layout of the room and how you plan to use it. And for me, I didn't want my back to the door or to the window, so I chose the layout that I'm using here, and it works for me. Another thing I took into consideration when designing this space is web conference calls, virtual meetings. I wanted my back up against the wall with a nice picture behind me. And those are some of the things you want to take into consideration. Once again, what will you be using your office for? And along the way, if I want to make changes, I definitely can. And I do plan to make a few more changes, like hanging maybe the TV straight ahead and maybe putting a sofa or a love seat over in the corner, but that's something I plan to do in the future. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.